new styles, everyday finds, one place. Welcome to Shack Shop, your go-to online store for women's fashion and must-have essentials. From trendy outfits to lifestyle items you didn't know you needed, it's all here. Easy shopping, great prices, new arrivals dropping often. Shop smarter. Shop Shack Shop. Visit us online today.
Authorities say they believe Savannah Guthrie's mother is still alive as search intensifies. Law enforcement officials in Arizona say they are operating under the belief that Nancy Guthrie, the missing mother of Today's Show co-anchor Savannah Guthrie, is still alive as the investigation enters its fourth day. Pima County Sheriff Chris Nanos said Wednesday that investigators are approaching the case with urgency and hope, emphasizing that authorities remain focused on rescue rather than recovery. "We have nothing else to go on but the belief that she is here. She's present. She's alive," Nanos said in comments to NBC News. "We want to save her." Nancy Guthrie, 84, was reported missing by her family after she failed to appear at church on Sunday morning. She had last been seen late Saturday evening at her home outside Tucson, following a family dinner with her daughter Annie Guthrie and son-in-law Tommaso Cioni. Investigation expands as FBI assists. Sheriff Nanos confirmed that investigators are actively reviewing a growing number of tips and leads, many of which are being shared with federal authorities. "The leads we're receiving are critical," he said. "They're valuable, and we are coordinating closely with the FBI and other partners to follow them wherever they lead." Authorities have not publicly identified any suspects and have declined to rule out possible motives or scenarios as the case develops. The sheriff's office has stressed that the investigation remains fluid and that all information is being treated seriously. Reports of possible ransom note under review. In a statement released Tuesday, the Pima County Sheriff's Department acknowledged reports circulating about the existence of a possible ransom note related to the case. Officials said the information is being reviewed as part of the broader investigation. "We are aware of reports regarding a possible ransom note or notes," the department said. "All tips and leads are being forwarded directly to detectives coordinating with the FBI." Law enforcement has not confirmed whether such a note exists, who may have received it, or whether it has been authenticated. Officials emphasize that premature conclusions could jeopardize the investigation. Home treated as crime scene. Nancy Guthrie's residence is currently being treated as a crime scene, according to authorities. Investigators have acknowledged the discovery of concerning physical evidence at the property, including what has been described as a possible blood trail near the home's entrance. Officials have not disclosed the nature or extent of the evidence, citing the need to preserve the integrity of the investigation. Sheriff Nanos reiterated that the presence of troubling indicators does not change law enforcement's working belief that Guthrie may still be alive. "Every lead matters," he said. "Anything that could help us locate her safely is being pursued." Family cooperating fully with investigators. Sheriff Nanos said the Guthrie family has been cooperative and engaged throughout the investigation, describing the situation as deeply difficult for all involved. "This has been tough on the family," he said earlier this week. "They've been very cooperative with everything we've asked, and we're grateful for that." Savannah Guthrie, 54, has not made public comments beyond earlier requests for prayers and privacy. Sources familiar with the situation say the longtime Today anchor has been leaning on close family members as the search continues. Today's Show staff reportedly shaken. Nancy Guthrie's disappearance has reportedly had a ripple effect beyond her family, affecting Savannah Guthrie's colleagues at NBC. Multiple media outlets have reported that staff members at the Today Show have been unsettled by the ongoing uncertainty surrounding the case. According to individuals familiar with internal discussions, NBC has increased security and police presence at its New York City studios out of an abundance of caution. The network has not publicly commented on specific security measures. "Things are tense," one source told a media outlet. "NBC has taken steps to ensure the safety of on-air talent and staff." Timeline of events. Saturday, approximately 9:30 p.m., Nancy Guthrie is last seen at her home after a family dinner. Sunday morning, family members alert authorities after she does not attend church as expected. Sunday through Wednesday, law enforcement conducts searches, processes the home as a crime scene, and coordinates with the FBI. Wednesday, Sheriff Nanos reiterates belief that Guthrie may still be alive and urges the public to continue submitting tips. Authorities urge public to share information. Investigators continue to ask anyone with information, no matter how minor it may seem, to come forward. Sheriff Nanos emphasized that public assistance can be crucial in time-sensitive cases. "We're valuing every single tip," he said. "Even information that seems insignificant could make a difference." As the search continues, law enforcement officials say their priority remains clear: finding Nancy Guthrie and bringing her home safely.